ancient land of...
Nope, that is not a Hollywood movie. I created that entire story using AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it too. From generating the story script to producing the video clips and editing your AI-generated story to make it monetizable, this guide covers everything. Here is why this is a game changer. I am sure you have seen those YouTube channels that use still images and voiceovers to tell stories. And guess what? They get thousands of views. Now imagine taking it up a notch, turning those flat visuals into engaging, dynamic, Hollywood-style story movies. Yes, that's exactly what we are doing today. By the end of this video, you will have the tools to create your very own AI-powered cinematic masterpiece. Let's dive in. Open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. I need a movie idea on the title, The Throne of War Giant. The setting will be similar to that of Spartacus. I'm going to use text-to-video AI to generate the video. After that, submit the prompt and wait for the result. As you can see here, the video idea is ready. I'm going to enter another prompt. I will ask ChatGPT to draft the scenes and dialogue for the movie. In a matter of seconds, the result is ready. Again, I will submit another prompt. Here, ask ChatGPT to give me an image prompt for each scene. It should be as detailed as possible. Finally, I will ask ChatGPT to also add an image to video prompt and make sure every single scene is lively. Okay, now we are done with the prompting. It's time to generate the visuals. But before we get started, let me introduce you to a tool that totally blew my mind. Imagine having a magic button that instantly turns your script into a detailed movie or storyboard. Sounds like science fiction, right? With Katalist AI, you can generate dynamic scenes, maintain character consistency, and even customize every single frame of your videos. Here is the wild part. You just submit a topic and it generates an entire story scene. It's like having a full production crew at your fingertips. Let's try it out so you see things yourself. Here, you can upload your script or copy and paste. On the other side, you can simply submit your idea as a topic. In a few seconds, you will have a complete video script and turn them into lively scenes. At the top here, you may choose to start from scratch if you have already gotten your script. Let's start with this, since ChatGPT has already generated the script for us. First, let's submit the movie title. I will copy from ChatGPT and paste here. The landscape is already set to 16:9 and the style is cinematic for realistic visuals. Click on Create Project. This is where we will generate storyboards for our movie. You can add character and location manually, but it's not something to bother about because it can be automatically generated. To create your first storyboard, simply copy the image prompt we generate from ChatGPT. Click the plus icon and paste the prompt here. After that, click on the play button to generate your storyboard. You can toggle between image and video mode if you want to turn your frames to a full video instantly. You can edit the prompt to make changes. For example, I can change the color of the sky by editing the prompt and regenerating this frame. You can select the one you like from here and then save it to your storyboard. Let's do it again with another prompt. I believe you can see how consistent the settings and characters are. Now to turn this storyboard into a video, just copy the prompt. Switch to video at the top, and then paste the prompt or the video prompt generated by ChatGPT. Choose the duration of the clip, and then submit. In a few seconds, your video is ready. If you're satisfied with the result, save it or regenerate if you're not. Continue doing this for all the storyboards until everything matches your story or maybe moving. Okay, let's address this important part. Katalist AI does offer a free trial, but if you really want to use it to create something reasonable, consider upgrading to the premium plan. Use the link in the description of this video. Now let's put everything together. For this, we are using CapCut. I want to start with the sound. I believe you know how lifeless movies and stories will be without sound effect. Sound design is a skill that you must have if you want to tell impactful and captivating stories. Go back and watch your best movies again. You will understand what I am talking about. I will drag the sound effect I want to use to CapCut, and then other files. First, drag the sound effect to the timeline and edit it the way I want it to sound. Don't worry, I am going to leave a link to the sound effect so you can download and practice along. Next, I will open the folder and start dragging the clips to the timeline. Add fade in and fade out animation. Adjust the clip accordingly. Make each clip to fade in and fade out in each peak of the soundtrack. I also add a keyframe to zoom in to match the duration of each peak. Press Alt+K on your keyboard to show the keyframe. Open Scale. and click here to pick a pre-animation graph. I will apply this cubic out. Continue adding clips according to the sound effect. Let's add the title. Add text. Drag it and drop after 2 seconds from the last clip to give a kind of black effect. Type in the title and change the font to what fits the theme of your story. I am using Terror. I will change the color to black and use a red stroke to make it visible. I will make some adjustments and reduce the opacity to make the text pop. After this intro, next is to continue adding the clips, voiceovers, and sound effects accordingly. And that is how you create monetizable AI story videos with confidence that you will be accepted into the YouTube Partnership Program. Let's see the final result. But before then, if you are a YouTuber gearing up for a new channel launch or just looking to refresh your strategy, I have got something special for you. My free pre-YouTube launch checklist for YouTubers. It is packed with everything you need to get clarity on growing a successful business-focused YouTube channel. Check the link in the description to get it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content ideas. Thank you for your time. Now the final result.
Ancient land of Arcanthia, where power was a language spoken in blood, one name stood above all: Emperor Valerius.
You fight like a beast, Kalen. But a beast is all you are.
If that's what it takes to end your reign, then a beast I shall be.
Bring out the war giant.
The arena trembled as the war giant unleashed his fury. Keelan's every move was a dance on the edge of death.
Fast for a giant.
You cannot free me. Only death will.
Together, Thalos and Keelan ignited a rebellion that would burn through Arcanthia. Flames devoured the city as the rebellion stormed the Emperor's palace. Freedom hung in the balance. Legends are forged in blood and fire, and the throne of the war giant shall stand forever as a symbol of freedom.